One of the major reasons why I upgraded my drone from the DJI Mini 3 Pro to DJI Mini 4 Pro was because of the waypoint feature. And that's because I wanted to be able to have the drone flying up using the waypoints while I'm also handling the camera, filming clients' events. So you can imagine my disappointment when I eventually took the Mini 4 Pro out to a client shoot for the first time, only to discover that the waypoint does not work indoors. This is one of the key challenges I encountered in my recent event shoot, which I want us to look into today. Now, before we go ahead with the video, this is a quick disclaimer. Everything I'm going to be sharing here is particular to my own situation, in my own country, in my own city where I am living at. So before you fly your drone, either indoors or outdoors, or apply any of the things I'm going to be teaching on this particular video, make sure that you apply all safety rules and regulations and do everything according to the laws in your own city, in your own country, in your own region with regards to flying your drones either indoors or outdoors. But above all, these were my experiences when I flew the DJI Mini 4 Pro indoors for the first time. The waypoint feature in the DJI Mini 4 Pro doesn't work indoors. And I only discovered this when I went to this particular client's shoot. It was a big event and I knew I was going to fly inside the hall. I had to get to the event space early enough in order to fly the drone, set up the waypoints so that when the event is ongoing, I'll be able to have the drone flying around while I'm also filming with the camera and of course while monitoring what is happening. So when I eventually went to the event space, taking the drone up to set the waypoints and all, I discovered that the waypoint doesn't work. I believe that the major reason was because there's no GPS indoors. Of course, because when I tried to set up the waypoint, it told me that there was no GPS signal. But that was a disappointment, honestly. So if you have intention of using the waypoint feature inside the DJI Mini 4 Pro and you want to fly indoors, well, I'm breaking it to you now. The waypoint doesn't work indoors. So get your mind off of that. Now, the second challenge I kept on encountering was that the drone kept on dropping on altitude. And this is what I mean. If I was at 3 meters, for instance, in elevation, because I was inside the hall. So if I was at 3 meters or 5 meters at elevation, for instance, and I was moving around, the drone would suddenly drop from that particular 3 meters to 1.8 meter or 2 meters. Even though I was applying all cautions and all manners of safety, I was still scared because if I was taking a shot at 3 meters, for instance, and the drone suddenly drops to 2 meters, you know that the composition and the framing will no longer be the same. Why was this happening? I don't know. I can't say for sure, but I can only guess two things. Number one, the lack of GPS. Because the drone does not have GPS, so it's now misbehaving anyhow. Number two, signal interference. I was inside the hall, and this particular hall was a big event where there was, sound systems, plenty phones, and things of that sort. That also could be the reason why the drone was misbehaving and dropping in altitude. So if you want to fly this particular drone indoors, you have to bear in mind that this could happen, and that means you have to apply extra caution to make sure that everything that you're doing does not go against the safety rules in your locality or in your country. And of course, you have to also make sure that the drone doesn't drop to the level that it will land on someone's head. That will be very, very terrible. So you have to bear that in mind, that if you are flying indoors, once in a while, you might encounter the DJI Mini 4 Pro dropping on altitude. Now, the third challenge I had while flying this particular DJI Mini 4 Pro indoors for a live event was the obstacle avoidance. The sensors were off at the time and they were on at the time. So it means that the obstacle avoidance was unstable, right? So if you are to fly this particular drone inside, just bear it in mind that the obstacle avoidance does not work. Let me just put it that way. But one thing I discovered, which was different experience from other drones I've owned, was that even when the obstacle sensors were off, the drone could still dictate when it is coming close to an object. When you look at the screen, you will see either yellow signal or red signal depending on the distance between the drone and an obstacle. So the question now will become, can it avoid that particular obstacle? Of course, it will not be able to do that because the sensors are off. So if you want to fly the DJI Mini 4 Pro inside, if you want to fly it indoors, know that the obstacle avoidance it does not work or it will not be stable. The first challenge I encountered, which was funny on its own, was that the drone ascends selectively. What do I mean by this? I was inside a big hall, and what I had discovered was that there's a particular spot where I can see that there is still enough headroom for me to take the drone higher, but the drone will refuse to go up. Then when I move from that particular space, just a little bit to my right, I'll be able to take the drone up. Or I move a little bit to my left, I will still be able to take the drone up. But that particular spot, the drone will refuse to ascend, go anything beyond 1.8 meters or beyond 2 meters, as the case may be. So then, why would this happen? I don't know. And funny enough, it was not just at a particular spot. There were different areas inside a particular event hall where I encountered this particular selective refusal to ascend. Let me use that particular term, because in some places I will be able to take the drone up a little more. In some areas of the same hall, the drone will refuse to go up. Why I am pushing the joystick up, the drone will refuse to go up. Maybe it could be because of the signal interferences we've already talked about before, or maybe it is because there's no GPS inside the hall. Whatever reason it is, I don't know. But this is just one of the challenges and one of the experiences I had while flying the DJI Mini 4 Pro indoors. Well, in the midst of all these challenges, I was still able to get some amazing shots. And if you want to see some of these particular cinematic shots I was able to get, check this particular video here, and I also link it in the description. And I want to reiterate again, if you are going to fly your DJI Mini 4 Pro indoors, especially in a public place or where people are, make sure that you apply all safety rules. No level of cinematic shot is worth breaking the law. So be careful when you are flying out there.